Hello and welcome back to Blue World Foods, where we give you the most up-to-date information on the prevention and even reversal of chronic disease. Today we're going to start a multi-part series on the reasons that the United States has the shortest lifespan of all industrialized countries. First up, we're going to discuss the enormity of the medical misinformation problem. Unfortunately, doctors, medical institutions, pharmaceutical companies, those who we should be able to trust the most are the primary source of inaccurate, misleading, and outright fraudulent information. More specifically, medical studies, the knowledge base that medical professionals have, and how the public is deceived by statistics and clickbait articles are huge problems today. First, let's start with medical studies and clinical trials. Professor John Ioannidis from Stanford University published an article titled, "Why Most Published Research Findings Are False." One of the major problems is bias. An institution like Harvard, for example, can make hundreds of millions of dollars a year doing research for pharmaceutical companies. If most of their research results end up being favorable for the drug companies, Harvard will likely get a lot more research dollars. One example of how they can skew results is doing a pre-clinical trial test where they give subjects a small dose of the drug, and anyone who exhibits any adverse reactions is then excluded from the actual trial. In this way, clinical trial participants are less likely to suffer the worst adverse reactions, and therefore these trials are not representative of what the general population will experience. This, in many experts' opinion, is outright fraud. Problems like this have also led Richard Horton, publisher of The Lancet, one of the most well-respected medical journals in the world, to write an editorial that stated nearly half of all published medical research is untrue. On the next episode, we're going to go into several other areas of how pervasive medical misinformation has become. As always, please check out our mission at www.blueworldfoods.org. Donate if you're able, and please like, subscribe, follow, and share. Thank you, and I'll see you again on the next episode.